1.
Hi. Kimchi. Have you had it? This one's made out of Napa cabbage. Napa cabbage is just like a softer cabbage. There's a whole bunch of different kinds. It doesn't really matter which kind you get. But kimchi, you might have heard it. That's fermented. Sometimes carbonated, like drinking a soda. The liquid and biting into it will have that carbonation flavor. It's good, helps you build more bacteria in your stomach. It's something that you want to have in your meals. Well, you don't actually want to have it, but it's good. It's kind of like good for you, but doesn't taste good. Not fun at all. Some people start to like it though. I don't really know why. But I put it on rice when I'm eating rice, or some people put it in a salad. Okay, so we're gonna make a salad. A lot of people might pick a bowl this size, or a bowl this size. Wrong. When you're eating salad for a meal, you gotta get a big bowl of salad. Now this might be too big for just me, but 2 people, maybe, I don't know. So, 1 of these bags of spinach, there are 2 servings per container. That would mean that there's 60 calories for the whole thing. I can't be a vegan, it's so hard, I'm always hungry, it's so expensive. No, you just gotta eat more greens. So there's a spinach. This is arugula, or also called rocket in some places. Why put this? Why not romaine or iceberg lettuce? Hold on. Why do I need frisee? Why do I need all these things? Those ones are bitter. I don't know if I like that. Put it in there. Knock it off. Well, I wanna feel better, but I wanna eat all the greens. Well, I don't know what to tell you. You have to eat greens. You do. We all do. This is why everybody is fat, sick, and nearly dead in our country. So that's the foundational base. Greens. Alright. Bell peppers. Pretty easy. Just rip them open. You want to feel like a badass? Just rip them open. Take a knife. A lot of people do like long slices. I don't really care. I just want to make enough food that it's good, that it goes in my mouth. Bam, you're done. Okay, when you're on a diet, you still deserve to have flavor. I get fresh herbs like this. This is basil. I get some cilantro. Very precise servings, as you can tell. You want to give exactly the exact amount. Bam. More of that. Some sunflower seeds. Why not? These are raw and sprouted. Ooh. Why you want that is because they have things in them, all seeds and nuts do, that keep us animals from eating too many. They make us sick, and that's how they protect themselves as a plant to continue to grow and survive. So now in the current world that we live in, we eat all these nuts, like whole cans of them, and we're hurting our organs. It's not good. Like, chill out on them. And if you are gonna eat them, have some sprouted versions. Mushrooms. I used to put mushrooms in salad all the time. Someone that I know that's a mycologist said, like, stay away from raw mushrooms. Whatever you do, like, cook them. Especially these button creminis, portobello. Just cook them. Don't eat them raw in a salad. I grew green pea shoots. Those are good. Boom, put that in there. Cucumber. Put that in there. Because they're not eating food anymore. Oh, but it's because I'm poor. No. I was on food stamps for a short time in my life, and I ate better than I ever did while on food stamps because I had so much money, and you can buy all the produce. This stuff's cheap. All the rice, you know what's expensive? Pizza, beer, cigarettes, hamburgers, all the fixings you need for them. No, just eat some rice, beans, eggs, vegetables. You're fine. Just do this. It's not a big deal. Do a little lemon. Ooh. Try to catch the seeds. If you don't, it's not a big deal. We want this stuff to be quick and easy. Maybe add like a little salt. Isn't that nice? Where'd the aminos go? Oh well.
With the spices.
I'm gonna add a little bit of liquid aminos here. And then I use my special tongs my mother gave me, and I just mix that up. Now, some of you will be like, oh, I don't know, that doesn't look that good. It's because it's really not that good and yummy when you don't have all the sauce and ranch and all those flavors until you get used to it. But after you eat this way for a little bit, spinach will be sweet. Even this bitter herb lettuce called frisee can be really nice, and the bell pepper is very sweet. But until you're ready, get stuff like tahini, water it down, mix that in there. I'll make some other dressings, some other sauces, and I'll show you more about it. But for now, eat big bowls of salad. If it slows you down and you're like on a special diet, eat with your hands. Then it feels even bigger. But just eat it. Just eat it. Just eat it. Oh, I forgot to tell you, put the citrus on there. The citrus helps when you're eating greens to get more iron from it. It's just a really good trick, and your body will absorb more iron from these greens by adding a little citrus than if you eat a steak. The steak has more iron, but your body doesn't get as much from it. So salad's better, guys. Tops garden salad. Bonus, despite popular belief, avocados are very good for you. The saturated fats in avocados are really good for your brain. I was a model in New York City. Woo! Oh, wasn't that fun? Not really. It was miserable. And all the models around me kind of acted pretty dumb. And I was like, what's going on? And then the longer I modeled, the more I wasn't having proper brain function. We need fat. We need fat, we need sugar, we need carbohydrates. We need this stuff in order to function. It's good for us. But what's not good for us is when it comes from processed plants, like vegetable oil, or like heavy amounts of like animal fats. You gotta be very careful where fat does come from. It's not that complicated, it just feels like it. Eat real food. This is real food. See? No one touched this except Samuel and the gardeners that grew it. That's it. You shouldn't have more than like 2 people touch your food. Maybe the cook. I guess that could be like 3. So gardeners, me, and then your cook. But still be pretty good. Enjoy.